There are two kinds of adventures. Adventures you go on alone, and adventures with friends.
Just give a wave.
Is that what everybody wants to do?
Woo!
They're doing like sound alarm.
Truck, yeah.
Let's cook it.
Messed up shit.
Yeah.
Feeling good.
This video is about adventures with friends. Step 1. Find your crew.
Hey, Jim's here, Jim's here.
This is America.
You don't trust me with your truck, I get it. Abby, Jim and Panda, Abby. We have a Slack channel.
Twisted my ankle.
Step 2. Pick an awesome spot.
Actually. Alright, if there's no one there, then that might actually be pretty cool.
Is this a good photo of me?
Yeah. And video. Yeah.
Your bedroom, so it was fine.
Look at these trees, they look like they're planted along the road.
Yeah, they do.
Step 3. Get there.
I don't do anything stupid just because that's on there.
I don't feel like Colorado campers have guns though.
No. Or two.
Yeah, he totally is having a fire.
Yep. Still setting up camp a little bit. Jim's got his chef station. Abby's doing Abby things.
Step 4. Set up camp.
Hey, I should do like a cooking video tonight.
Oh, I think I put the flint away.
That all I'm feeling.
Yep, I sure did.
Yeah, I'm like, fucking turn it off.
Down in the...
Because it was like...
How do you get out of here?
Turn it off! Jesus Christ!
And step 5. Do epic shit and make memories.
You